this wire here? What could it possibly go to? Well, plugs in down here into this. Well, if we follow it, go up, and there's a back box, or an electrical box. And it goes to a hardwired smoke alarm. With this specific model is the Kita KN-COPE IC. And originally I had my forget the model number, KN-COB ICBCA, I believe. It might be that model number, I think. Yeah, I originally had that one up there because it was a CO detector, and I was like, hey, why not put a smoke and CO detector up? So I put that one up, and I think it looks really nice. I'll turn the light off for a sec. Yeah, that looks nice. And in the comments, I'll let you pick which alarm I should put up next. Here's my options. There's this one, the carbon monoxide alarm, the P4010 ACS-W. I like this one too. And then my First Alert 9120B. Yeah. I do have one more hardwired alarm, but that's also in the next surprise. Speaking of the next surprise, whoa, where's my shelf? It was right here. As you can see, it was right here. Well, I moved it. And obviously behind the shelf there was this old handprint that's been there for years. Well, as you can see, the shelf is now up here. And I have my exit sign on it. An alarm. My alarms, I think I'm going to have it organized. So, alarms are on the top shelf. Full stations here. And thinking mass notification devices, like an alert strobe, like an ESD Genesis alert strobe, something like that. Because I have my homemade hazard alert siren here. Yeah, it's just homemade. And here I have some alarms. So I'm going to shelf. And because it's like that, got my alarms in here. Okay, trust me before. I had these all like nicely done and organized, good. But I guess when I closed the thing, it was like all like this, but then they just scattered. So, yeah. And I got a little key box. It's nice. I can store my keys in here. So yeah, this is probably the part that you've all been waiting for. Let's test it. And yes, it's got batteries. Oh, dang it. Can't close it. There. Let's test it.
Fire through. Warning, carbon monoxide. Monoxyde de carbone.
Yeah. So, yeah. So that's the KN-COPE IC. So, put in the comments on which of these three hardware smoke alarms you want to see in my next test of the hardwired system, as I can say. So yeah, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next video.